What I'm about to share with you in this video will radically shift your life. Okay, this is going to share with you how to manifest from what I call the 0 point or unconditional love. And it's going to help you understand the ego a little bit better and how to balance out your life in all areas. It's crazy, but when you understand this, watch this video over and over again. When you understand this deeply, your life will completely transform. Okay, this is the center point, this is the core of our entire reality, and this is how you truly manifest, truly find happiness, truly find inner peace, more money, more success, and much more. So this is actually a short clip from one of my programs called Mindset for Bosses, where I'm on a live call and I'm talking with someone about how they can overcome depression and basically get into a very powerful state. But again, this can be applied to anything that you want to manifest into your life. Question: are you trying to be happy?
I mean, I am, but I'm at the point where I don't know what else to do. Like, I'm kind of like, I don't know how to do that anymore.
Okay. What happens if you're happy?
If I'm happy, I have more will of doing things. If I'm happy, I am more motivated, um, generally with my life and in
My foot smash house. My foot smash.
I will definitely feel more motivated in my life. I will feel like I want to do a lot of things when I'm happy. When I feel happy, I feel like I can face the world. I can do anything. I can face any obstacles,
Have
anything
you
that comes my way.
have you experienced this before?
Yeah, yeah.
Then what happened?
So I had days when I feel like that. Um, like I felt my vibrations rising and I felt motivated and all that. And then ne that's the thing, like next day comes, and as soon as I wake up, I feel that stress, that heaviness in my mind, even though I try to switch to, I can't even feel the gratitude, like, because
Okay.
the heaviness and the stress and the whole depression thing is just comes over me
Mm-hmm.
as soon as I wake up.
Have you ever felt have you ever felt that good consistently?
No.
All right. All right. Let me show you something.
Okay.
It's very deep. um, um, sad. Um, happy. Trying to get it in the middle. Truth. Sad, happy, truth. All right. So in the course, you've probably recognized that I say that, this is ego, sad is ego, right? And this is also ego, happiness is ego, right? All right. And what we do, um, what we tend to do is we tend to sway into sadness and happiness and sadness and happiness and sadness. And the reason this happens is because we lean in, okay? Is because when we're happy, we're like, oh, I'm happy. And it's like we become attached to the happiness. Oh, I'm sad. I become attached to the sad, right? And so when you are attached, right, the root cause of all suffering is attachment. Okay, this is the Buddha that says that, right? The root cause of all suffering is attachment, desire, and what's the other one? Um, ignorance. Okay, so what we do is we become attached to the happiness, or we become attached to the sadness. Okay. And then we have this law in the universe called the law of polarity, right? The law of opposites. Okay. So we can see the opposites here: sad, happy, right? The key is not to get attached when you're sad and not to get attached when you're happy. Sounds crazy, but where we want to live is here, truth. This is what everyone's searching for: true happiness, fulfillment, centered, inner peace. It's just like, man, it's just like empty and full at the same time. Like, and this is also awareness, all right? Truth, all right? This is unconditional love, all right? So this right here is where we need to operate from all the time, right? We stay here. Doesn't matter if we're happy, doesn't matter if we're sad. We stay here and I see that I'm happy, right? I see that my body is experiencing happiness right now. And you enjoy it from truth. You don't become happiness, right? You don't go into happiness and be there, because now you make the opposite available, all right? You make the opposite available and you can go into that. And so we have these ups and downs in life, right? We see, in the hospital, you got the heartbeat, boop, 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 right? We got the tide going in and out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, right? Tide going in, tide going out, sun going up, sun going down. We got the seasons, we got the years, right? But in between all of that is truth. It's just happening, right? The sun is going up, the sun is going down. It's just happening, right? But what we do is we lean into these emotions, right? And the key is just to become aware, right? Just be totally aware. I'm happy right now. That's so cool. Like, but you're not attached to it. Like, you're just here. Like, you're just here experiencing happiness, right? So the key is not to become happy, but to be truth, being aware of happiness, right? And the same goes for the sad. Oh, I don't feel good right now. Like, you're not allowing your ego to move from here to here. I'm sad right now, whatever, right? I'm aware that I'm sad right now. I'm experiencing sadness. You live in your truth, you live in your center point, and from that place, you'll find solutions to why you're here, right? Or you don't need solutions for this one, but you'll find solutions to why you're here, right? And so the more, you live in truth, the more you become like inner peace, centered, or whatever it is. So something can pop up in your life, you win the lottery, or you find your soulmate, or whatever it is. It makes you really happy, but you remain here no matter what. Like, you're just here, right? Because this is where manifestation happens, 0 point, right? You stay here and you're observant of the 3D world. This is 3D. Sad is 3D. Happiness is 3D. It's the 3D. It's the matrix. It's the Maya, right? Right. Both of these sides is the Maya. But here is truth. This is all that actually really exists. The ego makes up happiness. The ego makes up sadness. Okay. But what truly is, all that it is love, right? Or unconditional love, or truth, or the 0 point, or God, or Allah, or Jesus, or Christ consciousness, or whatever name or label you want to put it, right? That's truth, right? And so if you train yourself to operate from here, you can even shift yourself to operate from here, all right? Then you have a more balanced life. Now, I'm not going to say that it's easy. Sometimes, Gavin, I am talking to myself in third person right now because I'm talking to the ego, right? Gavin, sometimes, like, I'm sad right now. I don't like it. I don't want to be sad, right? But then I remind myself, hey, I operate from truth. I'm experiencing, my body's experiencing sadness, right? And so the more you train the muscle of being in truth, the more balanced you become with your emotions. So the key is to stop pendulum, like having a pendulum going on, chasing positive emotions or trying to be happy. Stop trying to be happy. Like stop trying to, change your life. Let me bring it back up again and share something else. Right? Because here's the thing, like I don't believe like the amount of like success and what people would determine as success and what I've created in my life. I don't believe it. I don't believe in success. I don't believe I am successful. I don't believe success exists. My success, or what I interpret as success, is just this: unconditional love. It's one of the best feelings in the world. Like when you don't need to be successful, or you're not wanting to be successful, or not wanting to be happy. You're just is. And you get to experience both sides from truth. All right. And so, you're wanting to be here. You're here. You're wanting to be here. Sorry, you're here and you're wanting to be here, right? Right.
Yeah, that's
But
long.
yeah, but really, all you need to do is be here, right? Be here, and I can tell you, you'll be the most happiest person like ever, like, because you're no longer wanting it, you no longer need it. You just have this sense of inner peace. You're just like, like I don't need to chase anything. And from this space, you'll become more motivated. You'll become, more productive. You'll feel like getting stuff done. It's easier to get out of depression and things like this, right? Because you know where your power is. It's right here, Okay, only the ego is going to say, hey, I need to be happy. I'm not happy. I need to be happy. But anytime you're in sadness and happiness and you're not happy about it, only the ego can think that stuff up. I'm sad. I don't want to be sad, right? Only the ego says that, like, I don't want to be sad, right? Only the ego can come up with these things. And so it just keeps you in this spiral, like this pendulum of like, right? But when you take away the ego, when you take away sadness and happiness, all you have is truth. That's all you have. Like, and that's all you need, like literally. And that now you're living life from fulfillment and abundance and joy, and you don't need anything else. And I can tell you, manifesting stuff, creating what it is that you want, it works way quicker and way faster because you are just functioning from the 0 point, right? So yeah. Any questions?
Wow, Gavin. No, actually, you just completely explained it perfectly. I can totally get it now.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Yes. Wow. Just mainly be the observer and aware of everything.
Yeah.
And don't let it control over you.
Yeah. Yeah, because as soon as you say, hey, I'm depressed, and you try and fight it, because when you're depressed, you're trying to fight it and say, I need to be here, right? And so you're literally concentrating on this more by saying, I need to be here. Like, I don't like where I'm at. You're putting more energy into it. When you put more energy into it, that means you're putting more focus into it. And what you focus on expands, right? It gets worse and worse, and you manifest more of it, right?
Yep.
So again, it just becomes a pendulum. It just becomes a problem. And so, yeah, here that doesn't happen. It can't happen because you're not in the ego, right?
Yeah. So, Wow, thank you so much, Gavin. Thank you.
No worries. Yeah, much love.
This is good.
So now, how do you feel?
Well, I feel like relief with everything that you explained because it kind of shifted something in me. I don't feel wrong anymore for feeling a certain way.
Yeah, exactly. You're embracing your shadow, okay? You're embracing the dark side. You got to embrace the dark side and the positive side. The law of attraction community, spiritual community is just teaching positive. You should be in the positive. And you shouldn't like that you're negative, and you should stay away from being negative. No, you embrace your negative. You embrace it. Because as soon as you say, I don't like the negativity, like you are now not loving
Negative about it.
yeah, you're not loving, you're literally not loving an aspect of yourself.
Yes.
You're saying, I don't love this part of myself. So you're literally not whole. Like you're saying, hey, like I don't like this part of myself. I don't like, I don't want to be this way. So you're saying I don't love myself, literally. So
Yeah. Wow.
when you embrace the dark side and the light side, now you're in neutrality. Right now you're being, godlike or spiritual, or the unconditional love. You're loving yourself. Doesn't matter if you're feeling bad or you're feeling good. You're just in unconditional love. Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Major, major, major breakthrough and shift right now. Wow. Thank you so much, Gavin.
Mm-hmm. Much love.
Wow. Thank you. Much
Yes.
love to you too. Thank you so much.
No worries. So hope you found that training really, really powerful. If you would like to find out a little bit more about how to shift your energy and get into the state so it becomes automatic, and you want to get a free energy reading, there's going to be a link in the description where you can get a free energy reading or the manifestation diagnosis session. All right. So just add my number or click the link at whatsappgavin.com. Add me to WhatsApp, where you'll be able to send us a message and get your free energy reading or manifestation diagnosis session. Check out this video right here on my audiobook review on check out this video right here on my audiobook review on Rhonda Byrne's The Secret to Money. Very, very powerful book. And remember to keep learning, keep growing, keep expanding, and I'll speak to you soon. Peace.